Okay, today on Chef Mommy, I have none other than my mommy with me. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, everyone.
And today today's Mardi Gras, happy Mardi Gras, and today I
Happy
was
Mardi
feeling
Gras, everybody.
I was feeling a little bit homesick, and I was really hoping that we could bring a little New Orleans to our kitchen. So what are we making, Mom?
We are making vegan gumbo.
Woohoo! All right, Mom, what you got? Tell us
Well,
about
I
it.
got the skillet on, and I'm getting ready to pour at least about um, a fourth cup of olive oil, and I want to let it get kind of hot. And then I'm using a half a cup of unbleached flour,
Okay.
and I'm going to make a roux with that.
All right, make a roux. Make a roux, baby.
And you have to store it.
Yeah.
You have to store it a lot and not let it burn. You know, you want it to be beautiful and brown.
Ooh. Some people use butter, right?
Yeah, some
But
people
you
use
said
butter,
that.
but this is just like butter because it's olive oil.
Okay, but you
Mhm.
said that if you were using butter, it would taste really good. And we
Yeah.
thought about using the Earth Balance, but you said it's different from
Yeah,
butter,
it's
right?
different from real butter. Yeah.
So we preferred using the olive oil.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And so you see how I'm doing? I'm just stirring it. And I don't want it to burn, but I want it to get brown. And then after it starts getting brown, I'll pour in the celery, the onion, the bell pepper, and then the garlic last because you know garlic burns if you put it in there before you put the other seasoning in. Okay? So I'm gonna just stir it until it gets brown.
Yeah. Mom, do you like Mardi Gras?
Well,
That was a trick question.
when I was younger, much younger, my mom used to bring us all out up on St. Charles Avenue. This is where all the floats and everything would be passing in New Orleans. And I always wanted to go home, but because I always was afraid of somebody might throw something and hit me. That's why I didn't like it when I was little. But I had to be out there because my mom, she just loved Mardi Gras. And so,
Grandma.
yeah, my mom, she was she just every time she couldn't wait till it come, you know.
Yeah.
And so I used to have a little job out there doing the Mardi Gras. I used to sell hot dogs and Coca-Cola and all that, but you know, I was very young then, you know. But anyway, it was really nice. And right now, you know, as I got older, it just seemed like I just didn't feel like going out there. But I know I had children, and I used to just go out sometime anyway and bring them out because I know that, you know, they was excited about it. But then when I didn't feel like going, my mama would bring them.
Yep.
And we would sit in chairs, and I would hold a dog in my lap because the children hadn't gotten big enough for to stand out there themselves. And so,
How's your roux coming?
my roux is coming nice. You can see it's beginning to get a little
Browner.
beige. Yeah.
But you like much darker than that, though,
Yeah,
right?
much darker.
For a really pretty
But
gumbo.
then before it, you know, it's going to get browner, and it's very pretty. You can see it. And then after you,
Ooh, burned yourself.
I did.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm okay. But anyway, I don't know. I think some of the hot grease that was on the side of the skillet on top of my hand.
So
Yeah,
we're
you
gonna
get it
keep
get,
stirring it, right?
Until then I'm going to dump everything in, pour everything in, and all of it's going to saute together along with the roux.
Okay.
And then after that, we'll pour a lot of water in it, and that would make it, you know, you don't want it too thick, especially when you're making gumbo. You want it to be sort of like a soup.
Okay.
So, and so that's what I'm doing.
All
So
right,
now-
Mom.
so
So
now
in
that
a
it's,
second.
Yeah, it's just about browning, and then I'm gonna.
So I'll let you keep working on it, and then I will come back in a second to show you guys. It looks like she's getting ready to pour some seasonings in this
Yeah,
already.
in a few minutes. But it's
few minutes.
still,
You're still
not
cooking
how
it?
It's supposed to be yet.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna pour the onion in.
Was that was like a cup of onion?
Yeah, a couple onions. Yeah, you know you want to have a good bit of onion, and then you
4 celery stalks.
yeah. And then I'm gonna pour in the bell pepper. I'm gonna wait until this here, because I don't want to pour the garlic in yet because
Garlic burns too, right?
garlic burns fast.
All right.
But this is gonna be so good. You see how brown it is? You gotta let it get a little bit browner.
All right, guys. We'll take.
Now we can add a little piece of the butter.
Okay.
Yeah, I will add some.
Mommy's
butter
gonna go for the butter. I'm gonna take a break and I'll be right back. I'll show you. I'm gonna grab that butter from my mom.
Grab it,
Oh.
I'm just only gonna put about a tablespoon of butter. That's about it.
Okay.
You don't want it to be too greasy,
That looked like more than a tablespoon, Mom.
It's one of the big tablespoons.
Maybe that was like
Well, you
2
know how that is. You know how it is
tablespoons.
for New Orleans, honey.
Laissez les bon temps rouler.
Okay.
Let the good times roll. All right, Mom. I'm gonna we'll be right back in a second and show you how it's coming. Tell them see you in a second, Mom.
See you in a second. I'm getting ready to put the garlic now. Okay. See y'all in a second. I'll add 3 of them, 4 of them because they're small. And then I'll saute all that with it. And then I have the pot of water that's on next to it. And it's just about ready for me in a few minutes to pour this out into the water. Just about ready to pour it into the water. And it looks good and it smells good.
Smells all right.
Where's that gumbo filet too? No, leave it there.
Got a little gumbo filet.
Yeah.
Giacomo filet.
I'm gonna put it about when it's. I'm gonna put. I need to spoon that. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of gumbo filet in here, and about a whole teaspoonful. Okay.
And now you're gonna transfer your mixture to
in a minute.
water.
Yeah, I was just trying to let it get more browner so that the gravy can be really pretty and brown.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's about time for me to pour this in.
It's heavy.
Yeah,
You got
this
it,
is kinda-
Mommy?
Wait, no, but the glove is kind of thick. And that's me, I'm buying stuff like that. Well, now I'm going to pour this into the water. And all this is going to finish cooking. Okay. Oh yeah, that's going to be really good. You need to, wait, let me just put that on that side so you can see better.
Yes. Come on in a little
Yes.
closer.
Yes. Okay, now where's our,
Now you're cooking.
now what I need now is the crab barrel.
Okay.
You know,
You may want to give that a little taste because I got that from Whole Foods and I'm not sure what that crab oil tastes like.
Well, it is really, really spicy, and
See what that
this
tastes
is
like.
what it
before.
looks like. Wait, you have to stir it up because it's salt. You don't, once you put this, you don't have to put
Spicy.
too much of salt. I'm not gonna put a whole lot at the first. I'm just gonna put 2 teaspoons, okay? For
Okay.
right now.
Ooh.
Oh, where's the top? I just took it off.
Hey guys, in my haste, I did not tell you the end of how to make the rest of the gumbo. So I just wanted to tell you really quickly that the jackfruit, I took it out. When you take it out of the can, you don't have to use this brand. Take it out of the can, and I took the seeds out of it, and then I kind of shredded it up with my fingers, pulled it apart a little bit, and I you can dump it right into the gumbo at the end. Once your sauce is thickened and it's looking like a real gumbo is when you want to put it in at the end, and you only want to cook it for like 10-15 minutes after you drop these vegetarian meat substitutes in it. This is jackfruit, and I wanted it to mimic the chicken that's in chicken and sausage gumbo, and I use this tofurkey original sausage, and I just chopped it up. So remember, don't put these in at the beginning of your gumbo. You want to put it in last so that it doesn't cook to nothing. All right. Hope you enjoy this gumbo, laissez les bon temps roulé, and I hope you had a great day. Yummy. Bye.
This is so beautiful. Now we haven't added, it's making it thicker now.
Now, is it thick
Now
enough?
it's
Should
time
we
to-
add our...
Yeah. Now we should add all of our, wait, you gonna burn yourself, girl.
Okay. That's a little bit of little veggie sausage.
Oh, yes. And we put our sausage in and,
Last, because it doesn't
yeah,
cook the
and it's
pieces.
now done gotten really, really thick and nice. It's beautiful.